guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am very excited to be sharing this video with you. It is the 2019 spring add-ons that you can get inside of your Fabitfun box. If you get the box already, then you know this is the flash sale where you can add items to your box that is at a discounted price, so you don't want to miss this sale. If you do not get the subscription box, which is $49.99, and it is an amazing box, I always talk about it because I think they are the best around. But if you want to get it, then check down below. There is a discount code PNF10 for you to get $10 off of your first box. The first box is $49.99. These boxes don't come every month. They are seasonal, so you'll get it every 3 months. And that is how you're able to go on there and join in with the flash sale. Also, the giveaway that they will be having, I will tell you more about it at the end of this video after I show you this, but make sure you stay tuned because it is no purchase necessary to join into this giveaway. And from what I know, the person that wins will get a box valued at it will be a box valued at $500 worth of goodies from Fabitfun, and I know you definitely want to win that. So I partnered with Fabitfun again. You guys know I have shown you many videos from them because their subscription box is the best out there. I do believe that. I would not say that if I didn't believe it, but I have some of the spring add-ons that I'm going to share with you. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is this product by OMG, or it's called OMG Pulling Gel, and it says Double Dare. And it has strawberry seed in it as an exfoliant, and what it is if you have like you want to clear the pores over your nose, you're basically going to put some of the gel on your nose, rub it in like an exfoliant, for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you wipe it off and it will clear all the blackheads or whatever you have on your nose. And I think that is super cool. I am hoping, actually I'm going to open it and smell it because I want to know if it smells like strawberries. Oh, it still has a seal on it. Oh, it does smell a little bit like strawberries, and it's really thick, kind of like a paste. So that is cool. So this is one of the items that you can add to your spring box. Next is Babe Lash, and what this is, an essential serum, and it's for you to get a fuller, thicker lash by putting this on. It says it's a serum that promotes the appearance of longer, thicker lashes. So the next thing is this hair removal device, and it says it's hypoallergenic, and it has a ergonomic, why couldn't I think of that? Ergonomic design for superior control with a built-in LED light, and it looks like this, and it's supposed to be able to, the head pivots, so you're able to get into those, you know, crevices, whether it's under your arms, behind your knee, or whatever, and it is hypoallergenic, so I cannot wait to try this. So this is definitely something that if I didn't get this already, I would have put this into my box as an add-on. Next, you have a Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. I've gotten one of these before and I absolutely love it. I love this thing, and if I'm not mistaken, yes, it still does. Okay, so it comes with a suction cup for you to be able to hang it up on your shower wall so that it can drain and, you know, cleanse the water out of it, so it's not just sitting somewhere. So it comes with that. And then also, does it have the thing on the back? My last one had a hand thing in the back, like a strap for you to put on your hand for you to be able to scrub with. But I really, really like this. It says individuals who think in the shower. It's organic, vegan, and biodegradable. So if you haven't tried one of these, this will be the perfect time for you to add this to your box. Another item is this, I don't know if it's LA Tweeze or La Tweeze. It says LA and then Tweeze on the front, but it's this super cute little rose gold pouch, and on the inside you have an eyelash curler that has the company's name on it, and then it also came with this really pretty fingernail clippers. Look at that pattern and that design on the front. That is really pretty, and it's black, and it also has the company name on that, and it also comes with a little file. Can you see that? Yeah, so that is also in here, and it's metal, so it's not gonna break or anything like that. So this is also one of the items. Another thing from that same company, I'm gonna just say La Tweeze. La Tweeze is a pro illuminating tweezer set with diamond dust tips. Okay, I've seen this before. I don't know where I was at. I've seen something like this before. I think it was at Ulta or Sephora, and I wanted to get it and I didn't. So this is super cool. So it's some tweezers that look like this, and look at that, and it has a light in here, so when you're using it, the little light thing right there, so when you're using it, you're able to have the light beaming on wherever you need it, so that you can get a better feel for what you're trying to grab, whether it's eyebrows or whatever you're doing with these tweezers. But that is in here. And then what was this other thing? Let me put these back. And then the other thing in here is a cute little carrying case, and it has a mirror. So this slides off. You put the tweezers inside of there, and then you're able to, you know, take it with you wherever you go. So your tweezers will fit inside of this little container that you can keep inside of your purse. Okay, when I saw this, I thought this was super cute. It's called Invisibobble, and it's the traceless hair ring. And it looks like this, and inside there is 3 little scrunchy hair-like ties that is elastic, and they smell like cookie dough. These smell like cookie dough. I have to open this and smell them. I'm going to give these to my daughter, but just to let you guys know, I have to smell these. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. It's just some little hair ties in there. You get 3 of these, and they're really stretchy, and they smell like cookie dough. How cute is that? I don't think my daughter will need these in her hair, but when I give them to her, she might even use these as bracelets. I don't know, but I thought this was super cute. Next, you can add the Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment for thicker, longer, and stronger hair. And this is what it looks like. It is 6 fluid ounces. I have heard of Ovation. I do know that this is a very, very, very good product. I have not used it myself personally, but I will definitely be trying this out. So if you've heard of this, you may want to check on the price to see, because I know that they discounted it. And if you wanted to try this, this will be the perfect time for you to grab it. Look at this beautiful necklace. You get 2 pieces like that. It is on 1 chain, so you'll have the one that sits higher and one that sits lower. Very, very pretty. Look at that. And this is by, well, it says 8 Other Reasons. It says for the lovers, the dreamers, and all the right reasons. So, and it tells you how to care for it on the back. And it has the really pretty like chain in the back and everything. But this is really, really cute, and I love me some gold. So yeah. How cute is this set of cards? They say OMG, I love it, and it looks like that. So this is an unusual ad, but I actually really like it. Who doesn't love cute stationery? We all do. And so you get this, and it says OMG love it foil. So it is like the gold foiling on the front for the letters, and then you got the spotted, like the splash of paint all over it. Really cute, and it comes with some pink envelopes, and yeah, so that's super cute. I'm excited to try this out. This is the Kate Somerville, and I love her products, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. So this is 4 fluid ounces. It says creamy moisturizing cleanser enriched with soothing goat milk, natural milk, manuka honey, gently removes impurities, oil, and makeup without stripping the skin of essential moisture. So you might want to grab one of these or put this inside of your box. It says how to use AM and PM, use twice a day, and it just tells you how to use it. So yeah, this is really, really nice. So when I saw this, I thought this was very interesting. I've never seen this product before, and this is what it looks like. And what it is it says the directions for this is apply hand scrub after removing your nail polish to soften your cuticles, to lift nail staining, like sometimes when your polish stains on your nails. It says it helps to lift the nail staining and create a smooth canvas for fresh polish. Then use once or twice a day to lock in moisture and keep hands silky, soft, and glowing year-round. So this is a nice exfoliant for you to use if you're somebody that loves to do your manicures or whatever, and you want to have that extra cleansing after you take off your paint before you put on another coat. You might want to try this out because it sounds like it is really cool, and it's sealed shut, so I'm not going to open it yet. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out. This is by CAJON, and it is a Bulgarian rose water makeup primer. I've seen this before online. I've thought about getting it and I didn't. I love this bottle. It is like a glass or a ceramic like bottle. Is that focusing? There it is. Really, really pretty. So it has the little dropper, and the actual product itself is pink. So, and this is, it says Bulgarian Rose Water Makeup Primer is an innovative dual functional water-based primer serum. It is infused with Bulgarian rose oil, which works as an emollient to moisturize the skin. So we are almost done, you guys. There's also, once, if you choose to get the necklace that I just showed you, you can also probably add on these earrings if you'd like. Really pretty. They match the necklace as well. And it does it say, yeah, what was it, 8 Other Reasons. So that is the name of the company. We have 4 more things before I tell you guys about this giveaway. So in this bag they have Strong Women Make Waves. Look at that cute little mermaid cup. And she has her little arm up and everything, like she's strong. I think this is super cute. And this is by the Paper Source. The next item is by Dissolve It, and it is a makeup cleansing balm. Now, what I can tell you guys is that recently I started using a cleansing balm to remove my makeup, and I absolutely love it. I prefer it over the water solution. The balm to me is just really, really nice. So you get this, and it's 1.7 ounces. And let me show you. This one comes with a little spoon type thing up here for you to spoon it out and put it in your hand. And what it is it looks like this. And it's like a light peach color balm that you basically put in your hands. You put it over your eye area. Keep your eyes closed, of course. And then you wipe it away, and it literally takes off everything. Now, I have not used this brand before by CAJON, but I have one that I personally use myself, and I love the balm. So if you're looking for a new like way to take off your makeup and you've never tried a balm, and you are interested in adding some of the items to your subscription box, then make sure you check this one out. So there is another piece of jewelry. Oh, this is so pretty. It has like an Aztec print on it. I'm going to take this out of the bag. It came in this cute little satchel by, it says Sterling Forever Shine Bright, and it came in there in this bag. But I want to take this out and hopefully show you on camera the design on this necklace. Okay, so there it is. Do you see that design on that? It has like an Aztec look to it. It's really pretty. And then on the other side, it's just like a solid gold, like a plain. But then you have that pattern on the other side. The chain has the little extra part, so you can have it shorter or longer. And then it has the little tag that hangs on it. This is really, really pretty. It fits kind of long. I like that. Oh, I cannot wait to wear that. That is super pretty. So that is also an add-on. And then the last thing that I have is by R Plus Co. And it is a round brush. That's what it says. And it's in this really pretty container. Looks like the galaxy. Really, really pretty. So when you open it, oh, okay. When you open it, it has papers and everything in here. Hold on. Ooh. It is a round blow dryer like brush. So it looks like this. And it's perfect for when you're wanting to blow dry your hair out and you want to, you know, spin it. So this is also an item that you can add, and it comes in this super cute container, and it has some directions and some other things in there for you if you wanted to, you know, check that out. So yeah, so that is the last item for the add-ons that I have. There are other items I'm sure that you can add. This is just what they sent me to share with you guys, but if you get the subscription box already, then make sure you go to the website to check out the items that you might want to add to your box. Okay, so now as far as the giveaway, down below in the description box I will put a link. Make sure you click that link and follow the rules. There's 4 easy rules over there, and then it gives you a bunch of other little information for you to know about this giveaway. And it starts today and it goes for, I think it was about 2 weeks. It'll be all over there. You guys can read that. And just make sure you follow the rules, the 4 rules, and then they'll notify you. And yeah, so I thought this was super cool. Like I said, it is going to be for somebody, and I want one of my girls to win. So you guys make sure you follow those rules. And what did I say? It's going to be, I know the prize is a box full of goodies that is valued at $500. You guys need that box, I'm telling you. So I'm hoping that when I find out that whoever the winner is, I'm hoping it's one of you guys. I got my fingers crossed. So that is it for the spring add-ons. I can't wait to find out who wins the giveaway. My fingers are crossed, like I said, for one of you guys to win. And make sure that if you haven't subscribed already to get the Fabitfun box, if you want to, like I said, it's no purchase necessary for the giveaway. I'm just telling you, if you do want to, my discount code is down below for you to get $10 off your first box, and then you can join in with adding some of these add-ons into your box if you choose. So thank you guys all for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.